Hello students, welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll solve the Math No Calculator section of the May 2018 US SAT. So let's begin. Question 1. Ladarius spent a total of $200 to lease snowbound equipment at Winter Mountain during his vacation. Each day of his vacation, he purchased a lift ticket for $44. If Ladarius purchased T lift tickets, how much money did he spend during his vacation at Winter Mountain on snowboard equipment and lift tickets? So the amount that he spent on lift tickets would be 44T because there were T lift tickets and he purchased each ticket for 44. Plus he spent 200 on leasing the snowboard equipment. So the total is 44T plus 200, option C. Which of the following expressions is equivalent to this? So 3q squared plus r cube plus 5r minus 8q plus 2q squared plus 2r. So 3 plus 2, 5q squared plus r cube plus 7r minus 8q. So 5q squared plus r cube plus 7r minus 8q, so option D. Which of the following equations represents the line that passes through 0, 3 and has a slope of -3? So we can use y is equal to mx plus c. The slope is -3 and the y-intercept is 3 because the line passes through 0, 3. So it would be y is minus 3x plus 3. Option B. In the equation above, A, B, and C are constants. If the equation has infinitely many solutions, which of the following must be equal to C? Okay, so 2x plus 2b is ax plus c. Now for infinite solutions, the coefficients of x should be equal. So a should be 2 and the constant term should be equal. So c should be 2b. So what is the value of c? It is 2b, option D. Which of the following is equivalent to 2x plus 4 whole squared minus 4x squared? So I can write this as 2x plus 4 whole squared minus 2x the whole squared. And then I can use a squared minus b squared as a plus b times a minus b. So 2x plus 4 plus 2x times 2x plus 4 minus 2x. So this becomes 4x plus 4 and this just is 4. So if I take 4 common, I get x plus 1 and then 4. So 16 times x plus 1. Line L is shown in the xy plane above. Which of the following is an equation of line L? Okay, so we can see that the y-intercept is 3, right? So this point is 0, 3. And the x-intercept is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0. So the slope will be -1/2. And the y-intercept is 3. So y is -1/2 x plus 3. So that's 2y is -x plus 6. So x plus 2y should be 6, option A. For the function f, the table above shows some values of x and their corresponding values of fx in terms of the constants a, b, and c. If a is less than b is less than c, which of the following could not be the graph of y is equal to fx in the xy plane? Okay, so from 1 to 2 to 3, a to b to c. So it should not be a rising graph. So it can't be this because it's a rising graph from 1 to 3. Yeah, so this is a possible answer because this is a falling graph from 1 to 3. This is a rising graph, so this can't be my answer, and this is a rising graph. So B is the one which could not be the graph of y equal to fx. If 3x minus 6y is 9z, which of the following expressions is equivalent to x squared minus 4xy plus 4y squared? So I can write this as x squared and 2y the whole squared. And this is 2 into x into 2y. So this is the relationship for a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So that will be x minus 2y the whole squared. Now we have 3x minus 6y is 9z. So if I divide the equation by 3, I get x minus 2y is 3z. So x minus 2y is 3z. So 3z the whole square, which is 9z square, option C. Which of the following is a solution to the equation above? So we can use the discriminant formula, minus b plus minus under root of b squared minus 4ac by 2a. So that will be 4 plus minus under root of 16 minus 8 by 2. So that's 4 plus minus root 8 by 2. So that's 4 plus minus 2 root 2 by 2. So that's 2 plus minus root 2. So 2 plus root 2 and 2 minus root 2. So C. The function above can be used to estimate the number of farms in millions in the US for 0 less than n less than 72, where n is the number of years after 1940. Which of the following is the best interpretation of the number 5.77 in this context? So this is an exponential function. So the exponential function is given by the initial value times the growth factor to the power of variable n. So this initial value is 5.77. So which means that that was the estimated number of farms in millions in the year 1940. So option A. The system of equations above is graphed in the xy plane. The graphs of the equations intersect at a point x, y, where x and y are positive. What is the y coordinate of this point? Okay, so x squared is 2x plus 3. So x squared minus 2x minus 3 is 0. So x squared minus 3x plus x minus 3 is 0. So x minus 3 into x plus 1 is 0. So x is 3 and negative 1. Now, since x and y are positive, I'll take x as 3. So if x is 3, then y is x squared. So y is 9. So the y coordinate would be 9. Which of the following is a solution to this equation? So 4x squared plus 4x minus 3 is 0. So 4x squared plus 6x minus 2x minus 3 is 0. So 2x plus 3 minus 2x plus 3 is 0. So 2x minus 1 into 2x plus 3 is 0. So x is 1 by 2 or negative 3 by 2. So negative 1.5 is an answer. The equation P is equal to 14.7 plus 0.439 D approximates the pressure in pounds per square inch exerted on a diver at a depth of D feet below the surface of the water. What is the increase in depth that is necessary to increase the pressure by 1 pound per square inch? Okay, so you need to increase the pressure by 1 pound per square inch. So what is the increase in depth that is necessary? Okay, so if you increase the depth by 1, the pressure increases by 0.439, right? So pressure increases by 0.439 when depth increases by 1. So to increase pressure by 1, depth would have to increase by 1 divided by 0.439. So option A. If this is true, what is the value of 4x? So this is 4 times 4x by 4 is 4. So 4 and 4 cancels. So 4x is 4. In the xy plane, the points 2, 4 and -2, -4 are the endpoints of a diameter of a circle. Which of the following is an equation of the circle? Okay, so the center would be the midpoint of this. So that will be 0, 0. And the radius would be the distance of the center from any point. So 4 plus 16, so that's root 20. So the equation of the circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is r square, where h comma k are the coordinates of the center. So that will be x minus 0 whole squared plus y minus 0 whole squared is 20. So that's x squared plus y squared is 20. Okay. In the xy plane, line K passes through the point 3, 1 and is parallel to the line with this equation. What is the slope of line K? So if K is parallel to the line with this equation, then it will have the same slope. So that will be 5/2. If the ordered pair satisfies the system of equations above, what is the value of x? Okay, so y is 2x. So 2x plus 3 times 2x is 4. So 2x plus 6x is 4. 8x is 4. So x is 1/2. What value of x satisfies the equation above? So we can cross multiply. X minus 9 is 8 minus x. So 2x is 17. So x is 17/2. The two acute angles of a right triangle have degree measures of x and y. If sine x is 5/13, what is the value of cos y? So we know that sine of x is cos of 90 minus x. And since if this is x, then this angle will have to be 90 minus x because this is a right triangle. So sum of angles is 180. So if sine of x is 5/13, cos of 90 minus x, which in this case is cos y, will also be 5/13. In the equation above, a and b are real numbers. What is the value of a? Okay, so 15 minus 4i times 6 minus 3i will be 15 into 6, 90, minus 45i minus 24i plus 12i squared. Plus 12i squared will be negative 12 since i squared is minus 1. So 90 minus 12 is 78. And minus 5 and 4, 9. Yeah, minus 69i. So this is a plus bi. So A is 78 and B is negative 69. So the answer is 78. Okay, let's grade this. Question 1. CDBD, CDBD. Number 5. AABC, AABC. Number 9. CADA, CADA. Okay. And then we have ABD. ABD. Okay, then the gradents. 5/2, 1/2, 17/2. 5/2, 1/2, 17/2. 5/13, 78. 5/13 and 78. Okay, great. So we got all correct. Hope this exercise helped. I'll see you guys in a new video soon. Take care. Bye-bye.